Hello friends, welcome to Teach with EdIndia. Today we will learn about how one concept can be taught using different ways in classroom. Imagine you are teaching a class for the first time. You ask students to find the total pencils in 3 boxes of 4 each. Some count one by one, some arrange them in rows and others use a number line. That is when you realize to reach every learner, the same concept must be taught in different ways. Let's see how multiplication can be taught using different approaches. The teacher introduces multiplication using concrete objects, something students can touch and see. She places 3 baskets, each containing 4 apples on the table. She invites students to count the apples and find the total number of apples across all baskets. This hands-on experience helps children grasp the idea that multiplication is all about combining equal groups to find the whole amount. For visual representation of same concept, the teacher arranges pencils in rows and columns. 3 rows with 4 pencils each. Students can count groups and see how multiplication creates equal sets. Then she draws a number line and shows how to make chunks of 4 3 times, landing to 12. This helps students connect multiplication with repeated addition, making the concept easier to understand. While teaching language, a fable, a short story with animals as the main characters can be explored through storytelling to spark imagination, role play to bring characters to life, and illustration to deepen understanding of the story and its morale. In social studies, the topic of local communities can be taught using visuals to connect with real life, group discussions to share ideas, and mapping activities to understand locations and relationships in the community. In science, the topic of plants can be taught through different approaches. Students can plant seeds and watch them grow, observe and record changes in leaves and stems, and draw the diagram of plant parts to consolidate their learning. Using varied methods not only engages learners but also helps them connect ideas across all subjects for deeper understanding. We will come up with more such videos. See you in the next video.